Number 3, first off the line, or a jeans. Okay. Sexy 1, Ron 1, Vin 1, Curtis 1, Steve 1, Chris 2, and Brian with 1. 5 times, guys. Mix it on up. Paste and column B next to 8 divisions. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Brian, you're on top. Vin Diesel's on the bottom. Alright. Brian, AFC North. Ronald, NFC North. Steve will do it, AFC East. Curtis, NFC East. Chris, AFC West. NFC West. Sexy, AFC South. Vin D, NFC South. Sexy stripper, man. Think that was you, fake news? You're like, man, I don't remember buying it in Origins. Ooh, the full is sexy. Sexy stripper. Dave, I don't know, he's probably working. He might be on. Double D Dave. Sexy stripper. Alright. My sexy stripper. How could you forget fake news? Come on now, man. Come on. Come on now. Fake news, whose name did you change to? Who was? I can't remember who that was. Remember you switched your name when Daisy was on that one time? Was it... What was that guy's name? Been some years. Been some light years. First off the line, guys. Last one I have. Unfortunately. The double DJ love. I just got an email that said, first of all, I was like, oh boy. But it was something I bought. Was it John? That was so funny. I remember Daisy texted me like, dude, I can't believe this. Oh, was that funny? Alright, UCLA or Oklahoma scored again, 36-16. Or no. Houston scored. Alright guys, first card, Todd Gurley. Todd Gurley. Out of 99. Todd Gurley at 99. Doug Baldwin out of 13. 13. No, was it John? I think it was John. Fake news. Yeah, that's who it was. Yep, that's exactly who it was. Doug Baldwin at 13. Todd Gurley. Melvin Gordon base. Chandler Jones base. First card. Benny Snell Jr. Jambalaya out of 175. Jambalaya. 175. Yeah, I got a good story about that. Good story about that. Alright. Benny Snell. I think he's going to be a stud for the Bird. Alright, next up. This is a guy I dropped. I think he'll be a beast. Hardman Jr. This is he sells very, very, very well on eBay, guys. Especially at 17. 13 out of 17. Hardman Jr. Purple. Very nice. Very, very nice. Out of 17, Hardman. Yeah, you really did. Alright, Mike, you got it, man. And last card, guys. Hunter Renfrow, patch auto. Hunter Renfrow, patch auto. 3-color patch auto. Hunter Renfrow. Hunter Renfrow. Let's grab these pieces. They flew right out of there. Hunter Renfrow. Alright, guys. Last box. I have normal Origins as well, guys. $20 a division on those. $20 a division on normal origins, but very nice first off the line box. Hardman out of 17. Very nice. Very, very nice. Alright guys, see where these bad boys are going. Let's see, let's see. So AFC West cleaning up. Whoever has AFC West cleaning up with 2. Let's go into Chris. Alright Chris, got you. AFC North, Brian. Alright Brian, might need your address again, I'm not sure. Chris, another nice hit there. Doug Baldwin, you got the first off the line exclusives. And you got the Todd Gurley as well. Very nice. Alright guys, 5 times random.org. Whoever's on top, free spot. Autograph TriStar mini helmet. Luminance is elite once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, Vin D. We can also run a division. Fake news. We can also run a division. Alright, now go to 127 there. 127, Vin D. And that was number 3. First offline, Origins. Alright, very cool, very cool. Next up, Value Baseball. Value Baseball is next. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Never miss a lot of bread, guys. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram as well. Alright, guys, appreciate it. Thank you very much.